How does the Go&Go automatic motorcycle washing machine counter have controlled the number of vehicle washes? Hello everyone, if you are currently investing in or planning to invest in an automatic motorcycle washing machine, you will certainly be interested in a smart but extremely important thing. The counter tracks the number of vehicle washes each day. It sounds simple, but in reality, this is the silent revenue recorder, helping you know exactly how many vehicles were washed today, how much money were earned, and whether these were effective or not, without having to sit and monitor each one. So how does this counter work? How does it record the number of vehicles? And how does it help manage effectively when you are not present at the shop? Please continue reading. Now, let's explain in more detail how the counter on the Go&Go motorcycle washing machine works. Every time you bring your bike in for washing, simply press a button to operate the machine, and it will automatically record one wash cycle. This entire process is controlled by intelligent sensors. As soon as the cycle begins, the counter immediately adds one cycle. You can choose the wash time mode depending on the type of the bike. For city bikes, choose the 2-minute mode. For bike with mud and dirt, choose the 4-minute mode for a more thoroughly cleaning. The great thing is that every bike cycle is recorded accurately. Nothing is missed, nothing is faded. You can monitor the number of washes on the machine control screen. It's easy to control the number of washes without being present at the shop. Just look at the counter and you will know the situation immediately. Before the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine, the traditional bike wash model faced many difficulties. Manual records keeping easily lead to error and inaccuracies in the number of bike washes. In addition, without a tool for immediately verification, if you are not present at the shop, you cannot know the exact number of bike washes. The traditional model also lacks transparency, easily leading to misunderstanding the revenue loss. With the Go&Go automatic motorbike wash machine, the smart counter accurately records every wash, eliminating the need for manual recording, keeping, and you can check the number of bikes at any time. This is a time-saving solution that reduces error and enhances transparency in the workplace. So what are the practical benefits of using a counter on the Go&Go bike wash machine? It's not just for show, it helps you control operation extremely effectively. First, revenue control. Let's say one wash costs $1. If you see 50 bike washes today, you will immediately know the estimated revenue is $50. No need to ask anyone, no need to chase the change. Second, preventing losses. First off, with operators, you cannot always be present. Into this counter, you know exactly how many bikes were washed today, avoiding situations where bikes are washed without being reported, or where the reported numbers are inaccurate. Third, this is extremely useful if you run a chain or invest in multiple machines. Even if you are not physically present at each location, simply checking the number of washes on each machine will show you which locations are performing well and which needs improvement. Don't worry about the long-term operation of Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machines, because this product is not only high quality, but also comes with comprehensive support throughout its use. Go&Go provides a very clear maintenance and servicing policy to ensure the machine always operates stably and efficiently. Go&Go technical support team is always ready to assist you, helping you quickly resolve any issue that may arise during machine operation. This is a key factor in maintaining long-term operational efficiency without major problems. This policy gives you peace of mind throughout your business operation, eliminate worry about technical issues or certain machine breakdown. Have you noticed washing machine used to be criticized for not cleaning as well as hand washing, but now everyone uses them? Automatic bike wash machines are similar. Initially, everyone is curious, but once you experience them, they find them convenient, clean, and much more time-saving. Especially in cities, the demand for bike washing is steadily increasing because motorbikes are still the primary mode of transportation. Meanwhile, hiring labor is increasingly difficult and expensive. Automation is an inevitable trend, and Go&Go bike wash machines are ahead of the market thanks to their labor-saving solution while still ensuring quality. So if you are pioneer in your area, you are at least 2 to 3 years ahead of the market, and the earlier you enter, the greater the opportunities. Go&Go does not just sell machine, will also accompany you throughout your journey. Business process, from site service, machine placement selection, operation methods to specific business strategies, will help you to avoid going it alone on this journey. Thanks to this, you can confidently pioneer in your local area with a modern, unique model with great growth potential. Hopefully, through the sharing, you can have a clear picture of how the counter of the Go&Go automatic buy washing machine have you managed effectively from revenue and personnel to its operational plan. The market is still very new, opportunities are still wide open, and pioneers always have the greatest advantage. If you are looking for a low-risk, easy-to-operate investment model with the potential for consistent return, then don't miss the Go&Go automatic buy washing machine.